So we're going to go ahead and see how thick our donuts are on the inside, and you guys can see how thick our donuts are. I have approximately 3 cups of all-purpose flour here, so we're going to be putting our all-purpose flour in a bigger bowl like this, and I'm going to add approximately 1/4 teaspoon of salt, adding 1 teaspoonful of baking powder. As you can see, this is our baking powder. I'm just going to whisk everything around. That's mixing up everything to get it homogeneous. I'm using approximately 1/2 cup of powdered milk to 3/4, it depends on you. Whisk to mix everything up. I'm going to go in now with my butter. So we're going to be using approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Make sure your butter is at room temperature and softened. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we're going to go in with our hands and work everything in. Make sure you wash your hands, guys. So we want to obtain this crumbly consistency or a gari-like consistency. Rub the butter in to the flour while mixing. So I'm going to go in with 2 eggs. Mix everything up. Last but not the least thing we're going to bring in will be our sugar. Have a cup of sugar. So at this stage, mix everything up. So at this stage, guys, I'm going to come in with water. So we're going to work our water gently until we obtain the consistency that we want. But I'm going to tell you guys the quantity of water we used at the end. So let's go. We're going to start with 1 cup of water. Mix everything. This consistency is not bad with 1 cup of water. But if you want your donuts to be soft, very soft. 1, 2. Mix everything up. Beautiful. You can let this rest for approximately 15 minutes, or you just go ahead and fry. Guys, don't forget that you can add any flavor of choice, nutmeg, vanilla. It's okay, it's up to you. Gather the batter in your palm and squeeze in between your index finger and your thumb like this. Turn your hand and drop. Make sure that your oil is hot enough so that the balls rise to the top, as you can see. So when frying, make sure that your oil is hot enough. If you drop your donuts and it rises to the top, that means your oil is good to go. So we're going to turn the sides. So remove this and place on paper towel. They are brown enough, as you can all see. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. I love you all. Bye bye.